Is your smart home really as smart as you think? Sure, Alexa can turn on the lights when you enter your home. Siri can play your favorite music on command, and Google Home can order groceries for you. But these devices can't tell you that your AC isn't working properly or that your refrigerator needs servicing. And when one of your appliances does break down, Alexa or Google Home will simply provide you with a list of service technicians in your area. And that's after you get home to find out that the food in your freezer is rotten or the toilet upstairs has leaked water into your family room. Now, your smart home wants you to find a service provider. Check them out, compare their rates and customer reviews, and find a technician who is available to come at a time convenient for you. Make your smart home even smarter with Hwisel. Hwisel is a free service that monitors your home appliances 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It alerts you at the first sign of trouble and connects you with a local Hwisel technician, all of whom are licensed, insured, and bonded, in addition to being extremely qualified and courteous. A Hwisel technician will have all your equipment details on file, such as make, model, serial number, and will be able to quickly pinpoint the cause of the problem. But you don't have to use a Hwisel technician if you prefer someone else. You will continue to enjoy your appliance monitoring service free of charge. No stress, no hassle, no risk. So why wait? Sign up today and make your smart home even smarter with Hwisel. Hwisel. Service made simple.